Hello everyone, my name is Dylan with Hinges Iron Doors, and they're going to be showcasing the left-hand outswing bifold. To note, all our bifolds that are in stock are 3 panels. This one's a little bigger for showcase reasons, but 3 panels when you buy an in-stock bifold from us. So this is a left-hand outswing, which means I grab it with my left hand and I pull it to the outside, to the left. This is the inside, this is the outside, so that's why it's called a left-hand out. Pull it with my left and it comes out, and it slides to the left side of your house like this, and it slides on the outside. As you see, it's on the outside, it's not on the inside when it collapses, so it'd be hanging outside your house, not inside. And that is a left hand outswing bifold. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us at 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkiesIrondoors.com.